From its origins thousands of years ago in the lush groves of Southeast Asia to becoming a staple on breakfast tables worldwide, orange juice has squeezed its way into our hearts and diets. This vibrant beverage, bursting with flavor and nutrients, has journeyed from ancient gardens to modern supermarkets. Now, it's an important morning ritual for most people. So, how do they do it? Oranges have been brightening our mornings for over 4,000 years, originating in Asia before making their way to Europe and the Americas, carried by explorers and traders. Its unique and delicious taste made oranges a global favorite. By the 1890s, their juice had also become a hero in the medical world for preventing scurvy. This sparked a surge in demand. The commercial orange juice journey kicked off in the 1920s, transforming from a luxury to an everyday necessity. Innovations like frozen concentrate in the 1940s and the rise of NFC, not from concentrate juice, later on revolutionized how we enjoy this sunny beverage, making it easier than ever to get a taste of the juice. The mass production and worldwide distribution systems established in the late 20th century solidified orange juice's place as a staple in breakfast menus around the globe. Additionally, the development of pasteurization techniques ensured longer shelf life and safety, broadening its appeal and availability. In the process of making orange juice, not every orange makes it into the juicer. It's all about choosing the right type and ensuring they're at their peak of ripeness for that perfect balance of sweetness and zest. Favorites like Navel, Mandarin, and Valencia lead the pack, with each variety selected for its unique flavor profile. The goal is to avoid any hint of bitterness, ensuring every glass is filled with nothing but pure, refreshing delight. This careful selection process guarantees the juice in your cup is as flavorful as it gets. To ensure the highest quality, producers often employ both manual inspections and sophisticated technology to assess the oranges for size, color, and skin condition, rejecting those that don't meet the strict standards. Additionally, the timing of the harvest is crucial, as oranges are typically more flavorful when picked at the height of their natural ripening cycle, avoiding the need for artificial ripening processes that can diminish taste. So what process do these oranges exactly go through? The journey of orange juice begins with the careful harvesting of oranges, plucked at the peak of ripeness. They are then whisked away to processing plants, where they undergo careful cleansing. They're washed and graded, and only the finest, most flawless fruits proceed from here. Next up, the extraction stage, where oranges are gently squeezed through machines, liberating their golden juice while leaving behind the bitter peel oils and solids. This process ensures every drop is pure, fresh, and ready to brighten your day. After the extraction, the orange juice undergoes filtration to remove any remaining solids, ensuring the juice is smooth and clear. Then it's pasteurized. This step eliminates any harmful microbes, making it safe to drink. For longer shelf life, some juice is concentrated by removing water, making it easier to store and transport. When it's time to hit the shelves, this concentrate is reconstituted by adding water back. Finally, the juice is packaged in various ways, including aseptic packaging for those ready-to-drink varieties, ensuring freshness from the orchards to your glass. Once orange juice is bottled and ready, it goes on a final journey to grocery stores and supermarkets. This step involves careful logistics to ensure the juice remains fresh. Refrigerated trucks play a crucial role, keeping the juice cool as it travels from factories to retail shelves. The goal is to deliver the juice to consumers quickly and efficiently, maintaining its taste and nutritional value, ready for you to enjoy at your breakfast table. Orange juice has become a global phenomenon. The worldwide market for this beverage is booming, thanks to technology advances that keep it fresher for longer and cater to changing tastes. Consumers now have a variety at their fingertips, from the classic NFC, not from concentrate, to fortified options packed with vitamins for an extra health kick. Moreover, the industry has adapted to preferences with innovations in packaging and production, ensuring that every glass is as nutritious as it is delicious. Regulations ensure quality and safety, making orange juice a trusted and beloved drink across continents. Orange juice is a delightful drink to start your day with. Behind every glass is a story of nature, technology, and tradition, mixing together to bring you the freshest flavors. Much like orange juice, you'll be surprised to learn how cake sprinkles are made. Click here to uncover the secrets behind cake sprinkle production.